This is Thursday's maths activity on money. Now, the last time we talked about coins. You can see some coins in the background here. This time we're going to talk about notes. So if you've got access to notes, if mum or dad would let you have a couple of notes would be good. If not, that's all right, we can learn. So, sorry, I'm just wondering why it's not going up. Right, here we are, recognizing notes. So in the same way that we had the coins set up on Monday, we had the 5 cents, the 10 cents, the 20 cents, the 50 cents. In the same way we can set up our notes. So this is obviously a $5 note, and we know that because it's got the number 5 in there. But it is made very differently, obviously, to the coin. It is made so it keeps us safe as well, so people can't copy money and pretend that their pretend money is real money. That would be terrible. So this $5 note has a picture of the Queen Elizabeth II, that's our Queen, on it. That's how we know that's a $5 note. Now the $10 note has the number 10 on it there. Guy with the slouch hat. I think I know who it is though. I think it's Banjo Paterson because it says it there. So this man is Banjo Paterson. He's on a $10 note. Alright, now we go up to $20 notes. So the $20 notes is a different color again, and it's got the number 20 at the side. $20 note. Now we've got a $50 note. Wow. So this is a Aboriginal person or Indigenous person. David Unaipon Nunaithoponi, something like that. Very hard to say some of those words. But this is what our $50 note looks like. Notice the swan. There's a reason for the swan there. So this is, oops, this one. So this is matching the size of the coin, of the note, sorry, to the right number note. Okay, so you don't actually have to know those measurements. I don't think that's important for us right now. What's more important for us is to know that money buys what we want and what we need. And more importantly, it buys what we need, because what we need and what we want are two different things. So have a look at this video again and then go and find Thursday. This is Thursday maths activity to follow up. All right. Thank you.